in problem solving. So really our focus on that was that reasoning, justifying your answer. And I did see a few people that kind of just wanted to go through and find the answer and be done. But I saw several of you guys that did a great job, and you explained in your reasoning and proof. I see that this is a multiplication pattern. I multiplied 2 times 7. I multiplied 4 times 7. You really thought through. And then I loved, some of y'all noticed, some of the answer choices had some of the right answers, but not all of the right answers. And you guys did a great job looking through all the answer choices on each one to not let it trick you up. So I saw some great reasoning and proof. And I want you guys to remember, each time you do problem solving, that is what great mathematicians do. Even if we don't make you write it down each time, we don't always have you write it down, but that's the thinking that should be going on in your head. Does that make sense? Yeah. Okay, so now we're gonna move on to our mini lesson today, okay guys? And you guys, I know I've been working on multiplication for a while, like a couple of weeks or something, right? Okay. And yesterday, did y'all start exploring the distributive property of multiplication? I kind of love the distributive property. That's where we kind of learned that you could take a number and break it into 2 other numbers, 2 add-ins, as long as you multiply the same number, that they're both parts of that number by the same number. It's okay to break a number up to make it easier to multiply. And we're going to work with that a little bit more today. We're going to use that distributive property, but specifically with base 10 blocks today. I love base 10 blocks, so you're all going to get to use them today. But first, I'm going to show you how I'm going to do a problem with base 10 blocks. So I have this problem. Janie went to school and found that every student in her class had 7 colored pencils on their desk. If there were 23 students in Janie's class, how many colored pencils were out on the desks? That was a lot of information, so I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to read that again to make sure I have all the information. I'm going to kind of just go through it. Okay, so Janie went to school, found that every student, so I got each student, oh, that's kind of getting me thinking of a math operation already. Each student in her class had 7 colored pencils. 7 pencils. Okay, so that's like each person. And if there were 23 students, so, 3 students, how many colored pencils were out on the desk? So I know that I am taking something and I'm having 23 times. 7 pencils on this kid's desk, 7 pencils on this kid's desk, 7 pencils on this kid's desk. So that made me just figure out, kind of by acting it out, I'm actually going to be multiplying 7 and 23. Okay. You know what? Right now you don't even need to tell me the answer. I'm working on this one. You need to listen to me. Okay. I also know that in multiplication, I can change that order either way. So I know that 7 times 23 is the same as 23 times 7. I'm going to go ahead and build that. Okay? So, I have 10, 20, 1, 2, 3. Is that 23? Check me.
Yeah.
Okay. Now how many times am I going to need that?
7.
Let's do that. Okay. 10, 20, 1, 2, 3. 10, 20.
1, 2, 3.
Oh, my fingers are slow this time. 1, 2, 3. 10, 20. 1, 2, 3. Oh, I'm going to stop a minute. I have 1, 2, 3, 4. Nope, I need to keep going, right?
3 more.
10, 20. 1, 2, 3.
Yeah.
That was a little bit. I am getting smarter now, right? 10, 20. 1, 2, 3. I'm gonna check. 1, 2, 3,
One more time.
4, 5, 6. Almost there. 10, 20.
1, 2, 3. 16. Those.
9. Now, look at what I notice here. So I have it 7 times, right? And up here I have 10, 20, 1, 2, 3, so 23. But I kind of noticed, is it almost like my 23's broken in to different numbers? I kind of broke it into 10, 3. So, let me figure this out. 10, 20, you can count with me. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. Let me check that. 10 times 7, 70? Right here. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. And yeah, 7 times 10. Sure enough. Ooh, now this is a little harder to skip count by. 3, 6, 9, 12,
15, 18, 21.
Very good. You know what? That was a little hard for me. I want to do it a little slower, and I just want to check my work, because 3s are a little harder for me to skip count by than 10s. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21. Sure enough, and that is that fact. 7 times 3 that's equal to 21. So look at this. So like I took my 23 and I broke it into 10 plus 10 plus 3, right? And I multiplied each part by 7. Did I just multiply one part by 7 and stop? No, each part by 7. So it is like, I could put like a parentheses around that. 10 plus 3 times 7 equals, let's put this all together. So I have 70, 70, and 21. Let me think about how I'm going to do that. I think I'm going to add my 70 and my 70 first. 70 plus 70. I'm going to use my doubles facts. I know that 7 plus 7 is 14. So I know that this is 140. But I know I'm not done. I still have 21. So 140 plus 21 equals 100. So I know that 23 times 7 equals 160. Because I took my 7 and I distributed it. I shared it, I multiplied it by my 10, multiplied it by my 10, and I multiplied it by my 3. Talk with your partner. What did I do just here, and how will you do this when you do multiplication in the future? So get with a shoulder partner. Does everyone know who your shoulder partner is? You two? Whose partner's here?
Guys,
Are you two partners then?
get with your normal partners.
And Claire is my partner.
Okay, are y'all normal
I
partners?
don't have any partner normally. No, we're not usually partners. You're my partner. No, it's my partner.
Okay, are you usually her partner then?
Yeah, I'm usually her. Wait.
Okay, signal please. Sorry.
Go next partner.
Okay, everyone look at me. Look around, and if you know who your normal shoulder partner is, put your hand on your head. Do you know who your normal shoulder partner is? Do you know who your normal, okay, so hand on your head. Do you guys know who do you know who your shoulder partner is? Is anyone her shoulder partner? And are you two shoulder
But
partners?
is Neha and Ava partners?
Okay, so are y'all partners? Okay, go for it. So now get with that person you just figured out was your shoulder partner.
What about Andrew?
Who's yours? Is yours not here?
James just switched spots, so James, you can be with them. With that 3.
Okay, so what did you see me do? Who's your partner? Okay, so what did you see that I did? So did you?
Logan, I didn't see you talk at all. Logan, talk to her, please.
Okay, eyes on heard you guys talking about that when you multiply, if you have a hard number, you can break it into easier numbers to multiply. We're gonna use the same exact problem, but we're just gonna change the numbers a little bit. And you're gonna, at your desks, I'm gonna pass out base 10, you're gonna practice with your shoulder partner at your desk, building the multiplication problem and writing out your multiplication sentences with it, okay? So, the problem for you guys is, same problem but new numbers. Janie went to school and found that every student in her class had 5 colored pencils. And if there were 15 students in the class, what will it be? So look at my fingers and hear the directions. When I tell you to go, you will, 1, go back to your desk. 2, you will build this problem with base 10 with your partner. 3, you will write out the number sentences that represent it. Any questions on what you will do?
I think my partner's gonna have to join someone else.
That's okay, we'll figure that out when we get to the tables. Okay, go.
Do they know where their base 10
are?
Who's my partner?
Yeah, they're all back here.